What up, guys? It's me. Today, this is for your country. If you're in Texas, this is the ABC's 8 weather alert. The weather impact alert is connected with the emergency alert system. So, if you hear your country in a tornado warning, get in your basement, like immediately.
Some locations that will experience flash Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe this evening. Much cooler with lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Becoming south after midnight. Chance of rain near 100%. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the upper 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 50. Light and variable winds. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Storms will continue through the late afternoon and evening hours along and east of Interstate 35. The threat for severe storms will be confined to areas south of Interstate 20 and east of Interstate 35 where large hail and damaging winds will be the main threats. An isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Spotter activation is possible through the evening across the Brazos Valley, generally south of the Interstate 20 corridor and east of Interstate 35. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Tuesday through Sunday. A few non-severe storms will be possible Tuesday morning. Lightning will be the main hazard. Storms will return to the forecast by Thursday and continue into the weekend. The current time is 6:19 p.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has extended the flash flood warning for North Central
Flash flood warning for your town.
Ellis County in North Central
Yeah,
Texas.
if you live there, flash flood warning.
Until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar
It's not gonna be Hurricane Melvin.
across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpass.
It says tornado watch. So if you're in this area, or up here, or up there, probably get in your basement. That could change to a tornado warning. I'm warning you, tornado warning could be effect in these. Continue watching.
Passes as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations
Flash
that will
flood
experience
warning.
flash flooding include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Waxahachie, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Alvarado, Ovilla, Venus, Itasca, Grandview, Oak Leaf, Mayfield.
Dallas
Covington,
only has
Falls
one
Corner,
flash
Parker,
flood.
Griffith, 5 Points, and Lovelace. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 25. Just west of
McKinney.
Interstate 35
Remember the
between
McKinney
Hillsborough and
joke?
Red Oak.
Guys, remember the McKinney joke? Everybody in McKinney's dead. Hey guys. Right now in your Dallas is 100. Is 100.
Hamilton.
Right now in Dallas, your temperature is really heat. Everybody in McKinney is dead. The temperature in McKinney is 1,000. What is that? 101,105. It's hot in McKinney.
Frisco, Williamson, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedars Hill, Wiley,
Still.
Farmers Branch, University Park, and Satch C. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 418 and 441. Interstate 45 between mile markers 280 and 284. Interstate 20 between mile markers 454 and 466. Interstate between mile markers 32 and 56.
McKinney.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
McKinney.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Agree.
Now let's check on your local forecast for
The
the
heck?
Fort Worth Metroplex. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms this evening.
Did you just see that, guys? I just went to
Thunderstorms after
0.
midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe this evening. Much cooler with lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles
Yo,
an
if you
hour,
want it,
becoming
if you live
south
there,
after midnight.
get in your basement
Chance of rain near
immediately.
100%.
Get in your basement.
Tuesday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the upper 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
This is a part
Tuesday night,
1.
mostly clear.
This is a part 1, and I will be back tomorrow. Remember, guys, I'm not going anywhere. This is just a part 1. I'll make a part 2. Part 2 is coming soon. Bye.